Today we're going to remove some O2 sensors. All you got to do is get one of these. There's the part number. That's for this piece right here. You might wonder, but will it work? Well, first add some lubing agent. I would probably leave it for a good 15-20 minutes. It's going to try and at least eat up some of the corrosion on those threads. For me, I have already soaked them on it. And I just added a little more to show you how to apply it. Don't ask me why. Now, as we know, to remove, it is counterclockwise. So I like to use a breaker bar because you could use this small little ratchet end that it comes with. You probably won't do anything. So when you do this, it can be fun, but you have to give it a good yank and try and hold the exhaust at the same time. Let's see. There. It'll scare you because it'll probably make a big crack depending on how long they've been in there. And then pull them out and label them. I'm going to leave this here. Going to go ahead and do the front. I just want to show you that the tool does work. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yes, that is how you properly remove the O2 sensors. And make sure you label them. If you're putting them in a new exhaust, you can't mix them up. Well, a majority of them you can't mix up. You'll notice that some have different color connectors. So just label them.